today I'll be introducing to you to some of the ADB files for Samsung users, you guys who do work or who do repairs on Samsung phones. So today I've brought you a collection of the Samsung ADB files, the latest ones updated. So these are for FRP removal. So if you have any issue with FRP, you can flash these. You can flash these ones in any of the Samsung tools like Odin, and you can use the Somewhere tool, the Some Firmware tool also, or Z3X box, depending on your wish. So among the files there is for J2, J1, J7, and very many other specific models. So you can just go through them, or you can download these files and keep with them as a backup just in case you need them. Like this file is for J3, it can help you to boot to ADB. They are quite good files for you here, guys. I recommend you to download and keep them with you. Maybe they can help you out in any other thing you'll be doing. Thank you guys for watching. We meet in the next video. Bye.